Another feature I just discovered, which you may not encounter it the first time, but then you may. The battery in the remote control eventually goes out. And how do you know that? The remote control starts beeping. Let's see how it happens. You turn on the remote, we synchronize it. When the battery is low, now the remote control starts beeping slowly. And now you see this sound. It means that you need to change the battery in your remote control. And now, after changing the batteries, let's see if it continues to beep like that. The remote has been synchronized with the drone, and we don't hear any sounds.